Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go!
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him along the way. Oh, let's go explore, let's go
He's white stripes and he's kind of like you, only smaller.
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
Ooh, I can help.
I love games. I'll think there's something bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something incredible.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something bouncy that.
Hurry, do something!
Hey, scary dogs. Can't catch me.
Swim away!
Watch out! Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping!
Neener, neener, neener. Oh yeah, too fast for me.
Stop fooling around!
What did you
Swim over and say goodday to your old pal Bruce.
more salt, mate? Because you're friends.
Welcome to the EXC! Garages! Garages! Totally! But everybody's looking for you. Aw.
Get him out of here. Righteous offspring! Awesome!
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Rain, here comes Nemo!
Too many!
It's a journey that never ends. What's waiting out there?
Something that is coming to
Someone to know. The big blue world.
I found you.
There's nothing's inside out. I can use your friends. I miss the excitement of the dentist's office. Hey, open wide. Have you got any fillings, retainers, crowns? Oh, what a gift to see a good root canal.